Okay, ready guys? Do you have it? Have the handout in front of you. We're going to go now to the song. No, this is already you gave you. This is the homework. Okay? Okay? The last time we translate, where?
Is it all first page?
So this is the first page. Okay. So now let's go to the second page. It says طائر النورس. طائر النورس. What's that? So طائر means bird. النورس seagull. حلق حلق. What? Fly. وصفق صفق. What صفق? Clapping. Clap. So you picture the image. Do you? So you know exactly what they meant by this. So when they say طائر النورس, طائر النورس, طائر النورس حلق 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 بالجناحين وصفق صفق صفق. What does that mean?
Is it like with wings?
Yeah. Like طائر النورس حلق حلق means fly بالجناحين, by wings, clapping. Now, يرتجي في البحر رزقا. What يرتجي? So, we talked about this seagull, and we talked about how he or she fly, clap, go up and then drop under the sea and try to catch fishes or fish. So you know this story now. Okay, now next is يرتجي في البحر رزقا. يرتجي means hoping. So يرتجي is hope. This bird, seagull, is hoping. يرتجي في in البحر, the sea. يرتجي في البحر رزقا. What رزقا? رزقا. Why you are studying here? Why you graduate to find a job? For what?
Money.
And then money, profits, and then what?
Fortune 500.
Okay, why you are earning money in this life?
Because you're.
Otherwise I can't eat.
Necessity.
For life, for living, to keep yourself alive, isn't it? To enjoy this life. So rizqa, and that's why someone goes, for example, to the sea for fishing. That's his job for living. Why? Because he is hoping, go to the sea, anyone, a man or someone going to the Wall Street. Why? Because he or she is looking or hoping for rizq. Rizq means something you earn. It's not just money. Something you earn for living. What do you call it in English?
I have no idea.
So you earn for living for your job?
Yeah, I mean,
It's not like money though.
it's not just money. Even if you buy food, that's something for living. It's rizq. Rizq is something you earn in this life to keep this life active and going on.
Yeah, I didn't get license.